Adding someone to your Sam's Club membership is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Add a household member as a basic member. The first thing is eligibility. This option is available for Sam's Club Plus members and business members. The additional person gets their membership card and enjoys basic member benefits like shopping privileges, in-club discounts, and fuel savings at Sam's Club gas stations. To add a member online, first log into your Sam's Club account and navigate to Manage Membership or something similar. Then find the Add a Household Member section and follow the instructions providing the additional person's information. Now, in Club, visit the membership service desk at your local Sam's Club and inform them you want to add a household member. They will assist you with completing the necessary paperwork and processing the addition. Then purchase an add-on membership for another person. The eligibility. This option is available for any Sam's Club member type, and it has benefits. The additional person gets their membership card and enjoys all the benefits of a regular Sam's Club membership. Now, you can purchase it online by visiting the Sam's Club website or app and navigate to Membership or Shop Memberships. Choose the desired add-on membership and follow the purchase process. In Club, visit the membership service desk at your local Sam's Club and inform them you want to purchase an add-on membership for someone else. Then, they will help you complete the purchase and provide the additional person's membership card.